Let's talk about what to do after you buy your house. What's up, everybody? I'm Amy J. Simpson. I'm a real estate agent here in Maryland, and today we're going to be talking about the 7 things you need to do after you buy your house. Now, you already know the basics. You know that you need to change your locks, deep clean your house, change your utilities over, and do a change of address for your mail. But let's take it a little deeper than that. My first and biggest tip is to put security cameras up. Even if you're in a really good area, you get to get a feel for your home and your neighborhood after hours. In most cases, when you look at your home, even when you do the home inspection, it's during the day. And even if you take a ride through the neighborhood at night, you still haven't slept there. Putting security cameras up immediately is a great way to get a feel for what's going on in your area. It's not always bad things. Sometimes people are just outside after hours. Sometimes kids are playing after hours, and you get to get a feel so that you know and you can be more comfortable in your own home. And number 2 is you want to check any warranties that transferred over with the house, especially if the agent or the seller left you a home warranty. This is your time to get familiar with the warranty and figure out what you can and can't do with the warranty. Also, make sure that you set a reminder for when the warranty expires. The next thing you want to do is get out there and meet your neighbors. Now, I'm not saying that you have to be super friendly with everybody if that's not your vibe, but you do want to get a feel for your neighbors and just introduce yourself. That way you break the ice and get a good start in the neighborhood. Number 4 is you're going to check your insurance, not just your homeowner's insurance. When you move to a new neighborhood, then your car insurance can change as well. So sometimes it's for the better, sometimes it's for the worse. You want to go ahead and call and figure out if your car insurance is going to change, if you're going to get any discounts, or if you need to go ahead and shop around. Number 5 is you want to go ahead and check all of your air filters and change them if they need to be changed. You just bought this house and it should be a nice, free, clear, and fresh feeling. So the last thing that you want to deal with is any old dust and debris from old air filters. Number 6 is to start setting aside money for any maintenance. Things go wrong in the house, things need to be fixed. So the last thing that you want is to be dealing with an unexpected expense. So the first thing you need to do is make a maintenance plan and then immediately start adding to that fund every single month. So if anything does come up, you already have the money to cover it. Finally, number 7, you want to set a reminder to do a Homestead Tax Credit application when the time comes. The Homestead Credit limits the amount on the assessment increase that a homeowner, that's you, is going to have to pay on that year for property taxes. So if there's an increase, the Homestead Credit protects you. You'll have to check the eligibility to make sure that you qualify for it. But if you do, you'll be able to go ahead and benefit from the Homestead Tax Credit. So you definitely want to make sure that you set a reminder to complete the application. Now, once you follow all of these tips, you'll be able to settle into your home, kick your feet up, and relax. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, comment any of your questions down below. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this video who's about to buy a home, go ahead and share it with them.